Hello, grade 1. How are you doing? Are you fine? Okay, grade 1. Today I'm so sad because I want to explain to you the last lesson in chapter 10. What uses energy around us? So, grade 1, this is the last lesson in the science. Okay? I will miss you so much. Okay? Take care of yourself and be careful. Now, let's start. Okay? First of all, grade 1. When we talk about uses of energy, they include a lot of things. Okay, so when I ask you, grade 1, how can use energy in your home? Who can tell me how can use energy in your home? Watching TV? Yes, good job. Playing PlayStation? Yes. What? Open the light? Yes. So you cannot play PlayStation and you cannot watching TV. You cannot use any machine inside your home without energy, right? Good job. So they include a lot of things like watching TV, washing clothes, and heating and lighting also in the home. Also, working from home on your laptop, like me, when I work from my home on my laptop, I use energy, right? I I cannot open my laptop and work for you and do the worksheet and the lesson without use energy. Okay, so you can use energy in a lot of things, right? Good job. Now in grade 1, we will learn a new word, fuel. Who know the meaning of fuel? You know the fuel? Maybe this is the first time you hear the word fuel, right? Fuel grade 1, material, okay? Fuel, it is a material such as coal, gas, oil, gasoline, okay? So, fuel material, okay? Material such as coal, gas, oil, gasoline that is burned to produce heat or power. Again, the meaning of fuel, material such as gas, oil, gasoline that is burned. What? Burned. To produce what? To produce heat or power. So look at your book or at the picture here. Fuel is anything that is burned. What? Burned. So anything that is burned is a fuel. To make what? To make heat or power. To make what? Heat or power, such as gas, oil, gasoline. Okay, grade 1. So this is the meaning of fuel. Okay, we use the fuel to what? To move the car, right? Good job. Now grade 1. Car use gasoline as a fuel. How? You want to know how? Listen to me, sorry. When your body needs fuel, you feed it food, right? Good job. So, if your body needs a fuel, you feed it food, right? So, grade 1, when your car need a fuel, you feed it what? Gasoline. What you feed it? Gasoline. Okay? So, again, when your body needs a fuel, you feed it food, right? You cannot do anything without eating, right? Like a car. So, when your car needs a fuel, you feed it what? Gasoline, okay? So, the car's what? Engine. What? Engine. Burn the fuel. Now the car had the energy to move. How? Okay, now listen to me how. The car cannot move without filling it with a gasoline. Okay, so any car cannot move. Your daddy car can move without filling it with gasoline? No. So any car cannot move without filling it with the gasoline, right? So, and the gasoline is a form of what? Of a fuel. Again, and a gasoline is a form of a fuel. So, any car needs what to move? Need a gasoline. Need what? A gasoline. And the gasoline is a form of fuel. Okay? Now, here also we have a new word. What is the word? Engine. What is the meaning of engine? Okay? Engine, it is a machine inside the car. What is the meaning of engine? It is a machine inside the car. Okay, so the engine machine with moving part. With what? With moving part. Again, engine, it is a machine with a moving part. Okay, the engine helps the car to move, right? So the car cannot move without engine. So the engine helps the car to move, right? Good job. Why? Because car's engine burn the fuel. So when the car engine burn the fuel, now the car can move, right? Good job. Now in grade 1, we will talk about electricity. Electricity is a form of energy. We have a lot of form of energy, right? So electricity is a form of energy. So grade 1, if I ask you question, what makes the traffic light work? Look at the traffic light here in the picture. What makes the traffic light work with a lot of colors, red and yellow and green? What makes the traffic light work? Good job, electricity. So electricity makes light in a walk sign work, right? Okay, and also in the traffic light. So good job. So people use electricity for a lot of things: lighting, heating, in computer, machine, in walk sign work, in traffic light. So people use electricity for lighting, heating, computer, machine, traffic light, walk sign work. Okay, so electricity makes light in a walk sign work. Okay, and electricity is a form of energy. It is what? A form of energy. Also grade 1, the street light uses electricity to shine at night. Like what? Like a what? Traffic light, right? So also the street light, look at the street light. What makes the street light work? Electricity. Good job. So the street light uses what to shine at night? Uses electricity. And the electricity is a form of energy also, right? Sorry. Good job. Another example, grade 1, for using energy. Look at the power lines here. This is the power lines, okay? The power lines give the people electricity, right? Okay, and make your home have a lot of lights. So electricity moves through the power lines into a building, right? In your building, in your home. So electricity again moves through power lines. Look at the power lines. Look how the electricity moves. Okay, so electricity moves through the power lines into your building and make your building have a lot of lights, right? Good job. Other example, grade 1, for using energy. It is electricity moves from the outlet through the cord. Look how the boys want to put his fingers inside the outlet. It is not nice because the outlet, it is so dangerous. So no one put his finger or her finger inside the outlet because have a lot of electricity, and the electricity moves from the outlet through the cord to make the cord work, right? Good job. Other example, you know the fan? All of you know the fan, okay? Now the fan has energy, okay? Turn the fan on if you have fan in your home and the fan have energy. Turn on the fan, okay? What can you see now? The fan plugs move, right? Again, the fan plugs move, right? Why the fan plugs move? Because it's have energy. You give it energy, right? Good job. Now in grade 1, we will talk about battery. All of you have a toys in your home, right? We have a lot of toys. Yes, but if your toys not have inside it batteries, it can move, it can work. No. So any toy what want to work, what is want to work? Want batteries, right? So you put the batteries inside the toy. Why? To move, right? Good job. Now turn on the toy will move. Why the toy will move? Because you put inside the toy batteries, right? So any toys cannot move without batteries, right? Like your mobile cannot work without batteries, right? Also a lot of things, okay? Maybe PlayStation cannot move without batteries, okay? Also remote control cannot work without batteries, okay? So if you put the batteries inside the toy, okay, inside some of machine, and now turn on, they will what? Move or work, right? Good job. I want to tell you a very important thing, grade 1. A battery stores energy. Again, a battery stores energy, right? To work. So a battery changes the energy to electricity. Again, a battery changes the energy to electricity. How? Listen to me to know how. Because grade 1, some of electricity coming from what? Coming from batteries. Again, some electricity coming from what? From batteries. So grade 1, some of electricity coming from batteries. And uses what? To store electricity, use a chemical to store up electricity that can power device. So grade 1, again and again, some electricity coming from batteries. Coming from what? Batteries, sorry. So use a chemical to store up electricity that can power device. Like what? Like a cell phone, like a radio, right? Like a handheld in what? In a video game. Like what? Like a radio, like a handheld in what? In the video game, in the PlayStation, right? Good job. So grade 1, a battery changed the energy to electricity because some of electricity comes from batteries and uses to store up electricity that can power device like a handheld video game. Okay? Good job, grade 1. Now grade 1, we will do the workbook. Okay? Are we ready? Let's start. Read each sentence. Do you think it's true? Do you think it's not true? Circle the word or words after each sentence that tell what you think. Put your hand on question number 1. Okay, number 1. Cars get energy from the gasoline. True or not true? Good job, true. Question number 2. Many things get energy from electricity. Good job, be true. Many things get energy from electricity. Question number 3. Electricity cannot be stored. Good job, not true because electricity can be stored. Open next page, please. Complete the sentence. Write the word that completes each sentence. Electricity, heat, fuel, battery. Question number 1. One form of energy is what? One form of energy? Good job, electricity. So, one form of energy is electricity. Question number 2. A stores electricity. What stores electricity? Good job. Battery. So a battery stores electricity. Question number 3. Cars burn to get energy. What cars burn to get energy? Burn what? Good job. Fuel. Question number 4. Burning something makes what? Good job. Burning something makes heat or power. So heat. Number 1, electricity. Number 2, battery. Number 3, fuel. Number 4, heat. Okay, grade 1. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.